This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome, students. By now we have covered all present tenses. Now from this video onwards we will cover past tenses, and later on we'll cover future tenses. Let me give you a quick introduction and detail about past tenses. The first one is past indefinite. The second one is past continuous. The third one is past perfect. And the fourth one and the last one is past perfect continuous. Let me give you a quick detail about past tenses before we start, to give you a heads up so it will be easy for you. So the past tense expresses an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. So we'll start with past indefinite tense. The simple past is used to describe an action, an event, or condition that occurred in the past. For example, I watched a video, I drank water, I played, I studied, I ate food, I took shower. In past indefinite tense, the helping verb is did. D as in David, I as in ice cream, D as in David. So did is a helping verb in past indefinite tense. For the positive sentence in past indefinite tense, we use second form of the verb. To convert that positive sentence into negative in past indefinite tense, we use the first form of the verb with not. And in order to convert a positive sentence of past indefinite tense, we use the first form of the verb in interrogative 2. So if I summarize this, for the in past indefinite tense, we use second form of the verb in positive sentence, and for the negative and interrogative sentences for past indefinite tense, we use the first form of the verb. So as I gave you some examples, let's review them again. I played. So what I did in this, I used second form of the verb. The first form of the verb was play, second was played, and the third form was played. So since we are using past indefinite tense, we will use second form of the verb in positive sentence of past indefinite tense. Now if we convert this positive sentence into negative sentence, we will use did as helping verb. And as I said earlier in my earlier videos, in the previous videos, you need to place not in between helping verb and the verb. So the rule applies at the same. I did here as helping verb, not play. So what we did, we placed not in between helping verb and verb. And since we are using past indefinite tense, so for the negative sentence we will use first form of the verb, not the second one. So the correct sentence will be I did not play. Now in order to convert positive sentence into interrogative, we need to start our sentence as normal, and the same rule applies with the helping verb. So here it will be did I play? Question mark. I will give you some examples in order to practice while watching the video. I will request you to please grab a pen and a paper and a notebook so you can write that on, or you can type in a notebook if you are using a laptop or a computer. That will help you to learn effectively. Okay, ready? I jumped. So the sentence is I jumped. J-U-M-P as in Peter, E as in Echo, D as in David. I jumped. So you need to convert this positive sentence into negative. So as I said earlier, that we need to place not in between helping verb and the verb. So the sentence will be I did not jump. And here, while we are converting positive sentence into negative, we will be using the first form of the verb. So the first form of the verb here is jump, the second form is jumped, and the third form is jumped. Okay, so now we will be converting this positive sentence into interrogative. So we will start our sentence with helping verb. So in past indefinite tense, the helping verb is did. So our sentence will be did I jump? Question mark. Let's have another example. I took shower. So here we need to convert this positive sentence into negative and then this positive into interrogative. So we will start with the negative sentence first. I did not take shower, full stop. And now we want to convert this positive sentence I took shower to interrogative. So the sentence will start with helping verb. In this case, since we are using past indefinite tense, the helping verb is did. So we will start our sentence with did. Then it's going to be subject, did I take shower? Question mark. Remember, the key to success in learning language, you need to practice. And I do not mean that you need to write it. However, if you are practicing while writing it down, you are using your all senses to ensure effective learning, and your vocabulary bank will increase and you will be able to memorize easily. There is another technique and tip which I've given you by the time we started the course, that you need to start thinking in English. So whenever you're sitting idle, so if let's say you are thinking about any event, or if you're making a plan in your mind to visit a friend or to visit a market, so rather than thinking in your local language, you should be thinking in English and start looking for the words. If you are not sure about what will be the translation of any specific word in your local language to English, try to Google it. But my highly recommended medium is to look for dictionary. Keep a small dictionary with you that will help you to have more broader definition and broader meanings of different words. In order to learn effectively, you need to practice as much as possible. So let's have another example for past indefinite tense. They read book. So we will convert this sentence into negative, and it will be they did not read book. Now if we need to convert this into interrogative, did they read book? Question mark. Let's quickly have another example. She rode bicycle. So in order to convert this into negative and then the positive sentence into interrogative, we'll start with the negative sentence first. So we'll say she did not ride bicycle, full stop. And then if we need to convert the positive sentence into question mark, interrogative question sentence, it will be, so in order to convert this positive sentence into interrogative sentence, we will be saying, did she ride bicycle? Question mark. Let's have another example. It rained. So we need to convert this into negative sentence, which will be it did not rain, full stop. And then in order to convert this sentence into interrogative, we'll be saying, did it rain? Question mark. Let's have another example. We traveled. Now in order to convert this sentence into negative, we will say we did not travel, full stop. Now in order to convert this positive sentence, we traveled, into interrogative, a sentence with question mark, we will say, did we travel? Question mark. So in today's video, we have covered past indefinite tense. In our next video, we will be covering past continuous tense. I hope you learned in an effective way, and the key to success in learning language, you need to practice. Practice by communicating, be it writing, or if you're talking to somebody, trying to talk to somebody around you who is also trying to learn English as language, will enhance your success rate and will help you to learn more rapidly. So happy learning. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.